Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to find a least common denominator and what it is and why you need it. So look forward to it. So first off, what is a least common denominator? So the denominator is the bottom part of the fraction on the bottom. So why do you need a least common denominator? So the denominator is the number of pieces that the fraction is made up of. So this used to be a pizza that was cut into 4. This is a pizza that was cut into 6 pieces. So this would have a denominator of 6. This would have a denominator of 4. And so when you add or subtract fractions, you can't do it without having a denominator that is the same, because as you can see, these two pieces of pizza are very different sizes, and so they don't work together. And so we're going to talk about how you can figure out how to make these equal. Two different denominators, this one has 4 and this one has 3. So how are we going to figure out what we should make the denominator that they both share? So it has to be a multiple of both the numbers. So we're going to start out, you can make a list. So 4 times 1 is 4, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 3 is 12, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 3 times 4 is 12. See here we have the same number, so this is going to be what your denominator is. And then, so this one's going to be, as you saw before, 4 times 3, so multiply it by 3, multiply it by 3, and then this one was by 4, so multiply it by 4, multiply it by 4. Now they both have a 12 on the bottom, so they can be added and subtracted together. So another one we can look at is 6 and 4. If you noticed earlier, what we did to find our common denominator was multiply the two bottom numbers together. This one, if we multiplied them together, it'd be 24, but sometimes you might be able to find one that's a little bit less than 24 to make the work a little quicker. So if we write out our numbers again, we go 4, 8, 12, and then for 6, you can go 6, 12. So you see that these two both share 12, so you can make your common denominator 12. And so you do 6 times 2, times 2, and then 4 times 3, times 3, and then this would give you the base of your denominator of 12, which makes you able to add them and subtract them together. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you now understand how to find a common denominator, what is a common denominator, and how it all works in the adding and subtracting fractions. So if you want to show off to your teacher that you understand fractions, you can say, oh, I just did half my homework. Don't really recommend it because you might not do so well, but thanks for watching. Tune in for the next one.